Hello, welcome to this video. You can see that we have a Sunova PM3 multimeter today. It's a cute little multimeter pocket size. You can put it in your pocket and carry it with you. This unit, it is work fine, but the problem is, as you can see, big dark spot in the screen. This is the problem. So today I will open this thing and I will try to fix this issue. Let's stay with us. This is the main multimeter. You can how thin it is, lovely. Let's open this thing and see what we can do. Fortunately, it has a visible screw. Let's unscrew it and try to open it. It opens very easily. It runs with 1CR2032 cell. We have to open this board too because our main issue is behind the board in the display LCD. Why it's not open? I think we have to open this lock. Yes. Okay, the board is open now, and this is the switches. We don't need it. And here is the display, LCD display that's connected with Zebra connector. Display is disconnected from the system. Now our goal is to remove this back plastic from the glass, and I will use a new blade for this. I have only one new blade, last one. I have to buy some. We have to do this very slowly because we must have to keep our LCD intact. I apply some thinner so the glue will release easily. Okay, done. Can you see the problem? But it is 2-layer plastic and we only replace the back silver one. We can see middle part is gone. For display numbers, we need this part too. Without this part, the number will not visible. Let's see it works without this plastic. Let's clean it first. Okay, without this plastic, it's display numbers, but that was so blurry and fade. So we have to use, and let's use this silver sticker in this plastic first. Then we will think how to attach it properly with our main display. Done. Now it's time to put it here somehow. I cannot use any glue. I have both side tape, but it will not okay if I. But the plastic is bent and it shows horrible in the display. Need a good plastic. I don't know how we can find. Let's see if I have one. Okay, I have more plastic. This thing called linear polarized film. I collect them from an old smartphone display. So I'm not going to use this bended Polaroid paper. Instead of that, I'm using this shiny one. I already attached the silver aluminum reflector, and now I'm going to attach it with our display. Nice. Let's see what we can do. Actually, we have to attach this. If I can attach it with glue, that will be better, but I don't have any clear type glue, so I have to think some different. Let's see what we can do. First, place our original LCD with Zebra connector, then this thing. Lower part will stick under this lock thing, and it to do something with upper part. And now I'm going to duct tape for secure this thing. It's a horrible idea, but say that it will work. So let's move. We need another piece on this side. Trimming the excess duct tape. Nice. Display looks nice and beautiful. So now it's time to assemble our multimeter. Here's our main board. Now we have to put all this back in place. Yes. All the screws are in place. Oh no, I made a mistake. I have to open it again. Forgot about this thing. Okay, now it's okay. Switch are in place, and now I will put the rotary switch like this. And here's the lock. It had to put in here, then everything is okay. Yes. And now we need to put the battery. See, it's a brand new multimeter. Oh god, can you believe this? Awesome. Let's put the back cover, and we have to put the last screw in place. Okay, lovely. Wow, I'm happy today. I like this multimeter so much. This is small, pocket size, and this is Sunova, you know. Let's test something. Just this battery, yes, and this AAA battery 5H. Fantastic, awesome. And this here 2032. Oh, nice. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. Subscribe my channel.